This concept will help you to know how the weekly candle is going to expand on the daily chart. I'm going to give you a concise approach on the market profiling guide. By this, I'm going to concentrate on the weekly profiling guide. The weekly profiling guide is divided into three. We have the classic expansion, we have the consolidation reversal, and the midweek reversal. This is the profile overview of the classic expansion. You can clearly see that we had a bearish Monday and we made our low on Tuesday and a rally on the Wednesday and the Thursday, then a retracement on Friday. For the consolidation reversal, you can clearly see the overview. We had a consolidating Monday, a consolidating Tuesday, and a Wednesday. Then we made our low on a Thursday, then our rally on a Friday. For the midweek reversal, we had a consolidating Monday and a Tuesday. We made our low on a Wednesday and a rally on a Thursday and a Friday. Don't forget, any of these profiles has a bullish and a bearish expansion. Any of these profiles has a bullish and a bearish perspective of it. We are going to start with the classic expansion. The classic expansion is divided into two. We have the bullish classic expansion and the bearish classic expansion. When we are looking at these profiles, we make our economic calendar our roadmap. Before anticipating our week to be bearish or bullish, we are focusing on the economic calendar. Which news events are happening in a particular week? And what impact are we expecting on a Monday, a Tuesday, a Wednesday, or a Friday? This is an illustration of a bullish classic expansion. We had a drop on a Monday, then a mitigation of our discount PDR on a Tuesday, and we made our low on a Tuesday, all our weekly low on a Tuesday. Then we had a rally to the upside on a Wednesday and a Thursday, then a retracement on a Friday after making our weekly high. Then for the bearish classic expansion, we can clearly see that we had a rally to the upside, mitigating our premium PDR, then a drop up to when we mitigated, or up to when we got an opposing PDR on a Thursday, making our weekly low on a Thursday, then our retracement on a Friday. As I told you earlier on, we are considering our internal range liquidity and our external range liquidity. Internal range liquidity contains propulsion blocks, fair value gaps, mitigation blocks, breaker blocks, as I told you in my previous video. Then for the external range liquidity, we are having all the highs and all the lows. Don't forget that we are considering only PDRs above the 4-hour time frame. Let's slide into the charts for a better demonstration of our bullish classic expansion and our bearish classic expansion. With me is the chart of the bearish classic expansion. You can clearly view this, that this was our previous week, which was bearish. And if I move this, you can clearly see that our Monday was bullish. After making our first weekly objective, we started getting, this was our Monday. Then it came into our daily fair value gap to do our first weekly objective. Remember, a week must give us two objectives. Even if you are trading news, even if you are trading major week news events, you first look at those objectives. Have they been fulfilled? If they have not yet been fulfilled, just know the news must fulfill the weekly objectives. This is it. We had this Monday. You can clearly see this was our Monday, 15th May. Our candle for Monday was bullish. Then our candle for Tuesday came and fulfilled our first weekly objective. Remember, I told you weekly objectives are fulfilled by either internal range liquidity or external range liquidity. Internal range liquidity lies on our breaker blocks, propulsion blocks, fair value gaps, and many others. And our external range liquidity lies on our odd highs and odd lows. You can clearly see this. Our Monday was bullish. Then our Tuesday went and made our weekly high after mitigating our daily fair value gap. Then we had the rest of the week saying up to when we got a draw on liquidity or a sweep on sell side liquidity by the candle of Thursday, making our weekly low. Then we got a bullish Friday. It's as simple as that. This is our bearish classic expansion. First of all, we had a bullish Monday, Tuesday making our high, then Thursday making our low, and then Friday being bullish. Simple as that. You can clearly view this. We are looking for premium and discount PDRs. When looking for PDRs, don't exceed the 4-hour time frame, because this is a weekly classic expansion. When we shall slide into the daily and the lower time frame profiles, we shall slide into the 1 hour. But as per now, on the weekly chart or all on the weekly profile guide, we don't exceed the 4-hour and the daily time frame. Even if you are looking for the PDRs, strictly this. As you can clearly view here, our daily chart, we buy Monday, a Tuesday makes a high, then we sell Wednesday, and Thursday, then our retracement on a Friday. As simple as that. You can clearly see this. This was our second weekly objective after sweeping sell side liquidity, meaning now the week has made a bearish classic expansion. Monday, bullish. Tuesday making a high. These were sales on Wednesday and Thursday, then a Friday retracement. To look at the bullish classic expansion, this is the bullish classic expansion that you can clearly see this. Where is our Monday? As I move here, I'm looking for Monday. This was our Monday, 12th September. Our Monday was bearish and we made our low on Tuesday. Remember, in our bearish classic expansion, we are making our high on Tuesday. In our bullish classic expansion, we are making our low on a Tuesday also. You can clearly see this. Price came and seeked for a discount PD array, our daily order block. After price tapping into our order block, then we had to rally to the upside so as to sweep buy side liquidity in the other days. You can clearly see this. Remember, on a bearish expansion, we saw a buy, then sells. Here we are seeing a sell, then buys. Here we are seeking for an order block. We can seek for fair value gap for another block, whichever the algorithm is seeking to deliver. Here we seek for a discount order block. After price tapping into it, then we had a rally. Our Tuesday bought, Wednesday, Thursday, then this was our opposing area, our buy side liquidity. You can clearly see this. After taking out this, then we can anticipate otherwise. This is our bullish classic expansion. This was our bearish Monday, Tuesday, then others. Then bullish Monday, Tuesday making a low, then rally to the upside. With those few words, I won't exceed on this episode. Stay tuned for the next, because on the next episode we are having the consolidation reversal and we are having the midweek reversal. See you.